What happened to the classic swirling dogfights from the movies? For a while, it seemed like they were a thing of the past. The future air combat would be fought with long-range missiles, making close-quarters maneuvering obsolete. Then, a nimble and ferocious jet screamed onto the scene and completely rewrote the rules. We're talking about the F-16 Fighting Falcon, the lightweight brawler that taught the world how to fight up close and personal again. After the Vietnam War, the US Air Force did some serious soul-searching. Their large, powerful F-4 Phantom II jets, designed primarily as missile interceptors, were getting bested in tight aerial duels by smaller, more agile North Vietnamese MiGs. A rebellious group of strategists known as the Fighter Mafia argued passionately that this was a huge mistake. They championed a concept called energy maneuverability theory, insisting that a fighter's true advantage came from its ability to turn, climb, and accelerate better than its opponent. They didn't just want a faster jet, they wanted a true aerial athlete. Enter the F-16. This jet wasn't just an upgrade, it was a masterpiece of purpose-built design. The first thing that strikes you is the massive, frameless bubble canopy. For the first time, pilots had an almost unobstructed 360-degree view, which is a life-or-death advantage when your enemy could be anywhere. But the true genius was internal. The F-16 was a pioneer of the fly-by-wire flight control system. Think of it as trading heavy mechanical cables for a lightning-fast electronic nervous system, making the jet incredibly responsive and agile. New-build Block 7072 F-16s are built with a structural service life extended to 12,000 flight hours. This represents a 50% improvement over earlier F-16 production models and guarantees these jets can fly well into the 2060s and beyond without needing major structural repairs. The F-16, nicknamed the Viper by its pilots, brought the art of the dogfight roaring back from the brink. With its powerful engine and light frame, it could pull incredible maneuvers that left other jets struggling to keep up. It proved that a smaller, more affordable, and hyper-agile fighter could dominate the sky. The F-16 wasn't just a new plane, it was a new philosophy that reminded pilots everywhere that sometimes the battle is won by the one who can turn the sharpest.